Hi everyone, this is more kittens. This is Topper, I think. Topper. And this one here is Tiger. We finally got them out of their cages. Come here. Oh, she's so friendly. You don't even know. Ow. She's very friendly. Don't worry, she's just very playful at the same time. She loves to be around people. This one too, very playful as you can tell. They're at the Milford SPCA, like all the other kittens and dogs who are going to be here in Milford, New Jersey. They came from a hoarding situation where someone was hoarding cats, if you know what hoarding is, which means they just get too many animals or too much stuff and they don't give any of it away. But now these two kitties want to find a good home. That's why they're here. So yeah, they're very playful little ones, you can tell. Very pretty as well. They're very soft. I was just petting one of them. They're very soft. Very nice kitties. The one my mom is playing with is Topper. That one over there is Tiger. The black with white is Tiger and the other one is Topper. Just so you all are aware of that. Oh, there Tiger goes. Tiger's gonna pounce. Good Tiger. Come on. Wow. So Tiger has blue eyes and the other one has what color eyes? A gold color, which are very pretty. Wow, you're right. That Tiger does have blue eyes. Look at that. Come here. Come here. Come here, Tiger. Come here. Come here. Tiger. If I can get a good... Toby? Which one's Toby?
That one.
The one I'm playing with?
Yep.
Oh, this is Toby, actually. Whoa! Cat kitty. I want to get a good shot of her eyes. She won't let me get a good shot of her eyes. Toby! Oh my goodness. Her eyes are like majorly blue.
Like the golden with little blue. The one is almost
Her claws hurt. That's what she did to me. Alright, I'm gonna